Good morning, Year 7. So we're going to go through question 3 and 4 from the BAM quiz because these were ones that most people found a little bit tricky. So let's look at question 3 first. So we are told that there are 6 units in an exam course and each unit is marked out of 100. To get a grade A, the mean mark of all of those units must be at least 80. And Tom has taken 5 units, so that's 5 units out of 6. His mean mark is 78. To get grade A, how many marks must he get on the last unit? So the first thing that I'm going to do is have a look at how many marks Tom has already got altogether. We're told that he's taken 5 units and his mean mark is 78. So we can work out the total number of marks that he's got over those 5 units because we know that the mean is equal to the total divided by the number of instances. So in this case, the mean is 78 and that's going to be equal to the total, which we're not sure of yet. We're trying to work that out, divided by 5 because he's taken 5 units so far. So from that, if we multiply both sides by 5, we can work out the total, which is 390. So Tom has already got 390 marks. Now to get a grade A, the mean mark must be at least 80 over 6 units. So we use the same method to work out what the total number of marks is as a minimum to get an A. So we can say 6 units here and the mean will be 80. So we can say 80 is equal to the total for an A divided by 6. So therefore 80 times by 6, because we're multiplying both sides by 6, is equal to the total, which is equal to 480. So we need 480 marks. We've already got 390 marks. So we're going to find out what the difference is between them, which is equal to 90 marks. So Tom needs another 90 marks. To get a grade A. Okay, so question 4 is quite similar to question 3. It says that altogether we've got 10 bags of sweets and the mean number of sweets in the bag is 41. And the table shows how many sweets there are in 9 of those bags. Okay, now calculate how many sweets there are in the 10th bag. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is add on an extra column onto this table so that I can calculate how many sweets we've got all together in these 9 bags. So if I multiply the frequency times the number of sweets in each bag, that will give us how many we've got. So we have 117, we've got 3 times 39 was 117. We've got 2 bags with 40 in, so that's 80. We've got 1 bag with 41 sweets. We've got 1 bag with 42 sweets. We have 0 bags with 43, so that's 0 sweets. And we've got 2 bags with 44 sweets, which is 88 sweets altogether there. And if we then add up these values, we will get a grand total of 368. Now that 368 is the total number of sweets in 9 bags. We've got 10 bags altogether, and we have been told that the mean number of sweets in those 10 bags is 41. Now, knowing that the mean is equal to the total divided by the number of instances, we know that we can work out the total from that. So we've been given 41 as the mean is equal to the total divided by, there are 10 bags in total, so divided by 10. Now if we multiply both sides by 10, we have 41 times 10 is equal to the total, which is equal to 410 sweets in those 10 bags. So now we've got the 410 sweets in 10 bags, and there are 368 sweets in 9 bags. So if we simply subtract the 368 from the 410, that will give us the total number of sweets in bag 10. Which is 42.